center bit of the page. There we go, right around there. Lovely. Now let's draw a big C. There we are. A little bit of a C there. Now a backward C, joining these together. There are our goggles for the Minion Bob. And let's now do the inside of those two C's. And we'll complete those as complete circles. There we go. Lovely. All the way around. And now we can draw his pupils. Another big circle in there. One. And another one for the other eye. And then we're going to draw a little bit of light. A circle for the light in his eye. And now we can draw his actual little black piece. The black pupil piece. In each eye there. There we go. Just like a little moon in there. Very good. And now we're going to draw his body. So let's start from the bottom. He's just a big egg. So a big oval egg. Here we go. All the way around. And up. On the other side of the goggles. There we go. And back down to attach to the goggles. Perfect. Now we can draw his mouth. Not too far away from the goggles. Straight across. Just underneath the goggles. And now a big semicircle to join the mouth together. And now we can do his teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounded teeth. And a tongue. 1, 2 bits of tongue. Lovely. Now let's join those goggles to his head with a square and another little square. And now some arms. Tube 1, up, tube 2, line. Some gloves. A thumb and 2 fingers. 1, 2. And round that off. Perfect. Now the other side. Tube 1. Perfect. Gloves again. There we go. Just a bunch of rectangles and a little circle here for the thumb first. And then his 2 fingers. 1 and 2. And round that off. And a little palm bit. And now we can go down and continue his overalls. 1, 2. Join those together. Other side. 1, 2, 3. And the buttons inside of the overall straps. And then join those across with a straight line. Pants go down. Semicircles again. And then pretend his underpants are underneath those. Haha, there we go. And a nice pocket that looks just like his mouth. Another half moon. And now for his legs. 2 lines down. And then the inside lines. 1, 2. And now we can draw his feet. Join them together. Pointy little feet boots with a little heel, and a pointy little toe. There we go. Perfect. And now color. Yellow for our body. Blue for our overalls. Gray for our glasses. Dark gray for our gloves and our button and our shoes. Brown eyes. And a red tongue. And a black mouth just to finish him off. Perfect.